All those sleeping trucks.
Hey, kids, I don't know if I can make it.
Oh, sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you
All night?
all night long.
Let's count and see how many there are. Count them with me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Quick! Which button has the number 4 on it?
That one.
That one! Yeah!
Just some peanut butter.
Ha
Hey, yo, DJ, what up? We got ourselves a nodder.
All right.
Pretty music.
Yo, Wingo, lane change, man. Right back at ya. Oops, I missed.
We're gonna miss you for so much.
You going on vacation?
Oh no, it's not right. He's gonna blow.
Gesundheit.
Let's see how many blobs are coming this time. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blobs of peanut butter.
6 blobs of peanut butter. Where is the 6 button?
There.
There it is.
Once to never drive while drowsy.
Take that, peanut butter.
Mac! Mac! Hey, Mac! 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 Mac, wait for me! Mac! What? That's not the interstate.
Oh, yeah! Incoming! Count the blobs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blobs of peanut butter.
Which button should we push?
That one. The 8 button.
The 8 button. Wahoo! We got them all!
Trouble
truck.
We'll take that.
I'm not the only one seeing this, right?
Hello. I'm your friendly classroom globe.
Globe?
Yep, I'm an exact copy of Earth, only smaller. I need to practice spinning around just like Earth, so I will be in top form for tomorrow. Excuse me.
If I defeat the trouble truck and get rid of this guy.
Oh.
Fly away, Stanley. Be free. Boy.
And the trouble truck, you're under arrest for stealing our school things and...
You're in a heap of trouble.
Aww.